I'm going to take all those sprung boards and I'm going to use them wherever I need to cut a piece like that to get rid of that sprung board. Alright, so here's a bunch of little pieces I need. Right up here. I'm moving to the roof now. I got both of the side walls done with the furring strip. I don't know if you could see that real easy, but you'll see there's a transition between the office roof and the bathroom roof, which is 1.5 inches higher. And to make that transition, I'm going to have one panel that'll be at office roof height right there at the entrance. So I need to cut rafter ties, furring strips effectively into all of those. This won't have any light in it, so I don't need to worry about electricity here. The rest of it will have some can lights, so I'll need to run can light electricity. And I wish I had some shielded cable. That would be a lot easier. I have Romex, which that was very difficult in the other one. Alright, let me see here. Got a couple of pieces out here. Alright, 19, check. 21, check. 23.5. 19, 21, 23.5. Let's see if I remember all those. I shouldn't get a big kick out of that sprung board, but it amuses me. All right, 19. Yeah. See, you turn that old twisted board into a bunch of little not so twisted boards. That'll work just fine. only reason I'm giving it a college try is because I'm staying at the Katie house, so I've got a place to shower. I'm pretty tired. I don't know. I'll see how far I get. Earlier in the year, I put on a Tyvek suit to do this, but I can't. Heat exhaustion immediately get me. All right, let's put some insulation in. Oh, they fit right over here. Yeah, let's see. In the dying light, I fit this wall a little better. Let's put the insulation in there. Since that insulation doesn't have a batting of any kind, there's no paper on it. It's hygroscopic. It's just really good. It's not fiberglass. It's actual mineral. But I have 16-inch metal bars, and then I have 24-inch metal bars that I used to snap in. But let's see if I can do this here. Getting too dark, isn't it? All right, but I'm going to keep working. You get the idea of it. I rip the bats in half. I make it fit the 1/2 inch. I bend it up, and then I cut out the right size that I need. I'm doing that outside to try to keep the dust down inside. I don't have a mask on, so I'm being super careful to not shake. It's still not the right way, but I'll heat on one hand, which will kill me right away. Maybe I'm too old to die from respiratory problem at this point. The dust alone will kill me. All right, This is Steve at 1000 Year Homes. I'll probably mix this all up into one video. It's just kind of a catch up. You know, it's a good step for me, and I'm able to do this simply because I have a place to rest and relax and regroup with the Katie house. So like, subscribe, follow me along. I'm a stubborn man, aren't I?